Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me, and it is Friday evening, the end of our work week, so I thought what I would do is bring you along with me as I straighten up a little bit before the weekend so that I could enjoy the whole weekend. And as you can see, I'm starting in the kitchen, and I like to start in the kitchen because it motivates me to get the rest of the house straightened up. What part of the house when you're cleaning do you like to start in that motivates you? Leave a comment below. I did already cook dinner. You can see it there on the stove. My guys were down at our boat pier trying to get it ready for us to go out the weekend. So I'm trying to straighten up and clean after I cook dinner. And here I'm just spraying in my sink the Dawn and vinegar mixture that I use for my kitchen, and then I like to scrub my sink with a magic eraser. It helps get up all the little scratches and soap scum and stuff out of my porcelain sink. And I don't know about you guys, but by the end of our week, there's so many little random things that are left around the house that needs to be picked up. And this is some of the supplies that I had left from the little farmhouse stool project that I did. If you have not seen that video, I will leave that linked below in the description box. And I had a couple loads of laundry that I needed to fold and hang up and put away. And I also stripped my bed earlier and I was washing my sheets. So that's why my bed is not made. And here I'm just putting away some jewelry that I had worn during the week that I just, instead of putting it away right away, I always lay it on my dresser. We are in the middle of updating our master bedroom and our master bathroom, and I am so excited to show that to you. I'm hoping that it will be completed real soon. And that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope that you liked it. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We do cleaning videos, decorating videos, DIY, and much more. Until next time, see you guys. Bye-bye.